Today, we will understand about paper and raw materials used for paper. In the packaging industry, paper plays a crucial role as a sustainable, versatile, and eco-friendly material. The key uses of paper in packaging industry. 1. Sustainable packaging. With the growing demand for eco-friendly solutions, paper is a popular alternative to plastic. It's biodegradable, recyclable, and renewable facility, making it an environmentally responsible choice. 2. Paper is used for product labels, offering a printable surface for branding, product information, and compliance markings. 3. Flexible packaging. Paper is often combined with other materials like wax or plastic to create flexible packaging solutions. These include pouches, bags, and wraps for food products, cosmetics, and other items requiring lightweight, moisture-resistant packaging. 4. Corrugated packaging. Corrugated board, made from layers of paper, is widely used for shipping and storage. It provides protection, cushioning, and durability for products during transit. Cushioning material. Paper is also shredded or molded into shapes for cushioning products inside packaging, reducing the need for plastic foam or bubble wrap. And cartons and boxes. Paperboard is used to make cartons for packaging a variety of goods, such as cereals, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and electronics. It can be printed and customized to enhance brand visibility. 7. Protective wrapping. Tissue paper, craft paper, and newsprint are used to wrap delicate or fragile products. It prevents damage, scratching during shipping and transit. 8. Food packaging. Paper-based packaging like paper bags, sandwich wraps, and takeaway containers are commonly used in the food and beverage industry due to their sustainability and food safety qualities. The use of paper in packaging aligns with the industry's shift towards reducing waste, promoting recycling, and supporting a circular economy. The raw materials for paper production primarily come from plant-based sources. Here are the main sources. Number 1. Wood. Softwood trees like pine, spruce, and fir, are commonly used for their long fibers, which produce strong, durable paper. These fibers are ideal for products like corrugated board and craft paper. B. Hardwood trees. Trees like oak, eucalyptus, and birch are used for their short fibers, which give paper smoothness and printability, making them suitable for writing paper, tissue paper, and coated papers. Number 2. Recycled paper. Post-consumer waste. Old newspapers, magazines, office paper, and packaging materials are collected and reprocessed into new paper products, reducing the need for virgin fiber. Number 3. Non-wood fibers. These are alternative sources of raw materials, often used in regions with limited wood resources. Bamboo. Fast-growing and renewable, bamboo provides strong fibers similar to softwood and is used for both paper and packaging. Bagasse. A byproduct of sugarcane processing, bagasse is used in countries with significant sugarcane production. It's often used for food packaging and disposable items. C. Hemp. Known for its strength and durability, hemp fibers are used to make specialty papers like currency, archival paper, and high-quality writing paper. D. Straw. Rice, wheat, and other agricultural residues are used in some regions for paper making, especially for producing low-grade papers like newsprint and packaging. Cotton and linen. Cotton rags and flax fibers, known as linen, are used to produce fine-quality papers like stationery and banknotes. F. Pre-consumer waste. Paper waste generated during manufacturing processes, such as trimmings or defective products, is also recycled. 4. Agricultural residues. In addition to bagasse and straw, other agricultural byproducts like banana stems and palm fibers are sometimes used as raw materials, particularly in sustainable or specialty paper production. 5. Rags. Historically, cotton rags were used as a major source of raw material for paper, especially for high-quality products. This continues to be used for premium paper, such as archival paper and currency. By sourcing raw materials from renewable and recycled sources, the paper industry aims to balance the environmental impacts and maintain sustainable practices. Now let's understand the ingredient of wood, which plays a vital role in manufacturing of paper. When wood is used as a raw material for making paper, certain characteristics become critical to ensure efficient processing and quality of the final paper product. 1. Fiber length and type. A. Fiber length. Wood fibers vary in length between hardwood and softwood species. A1. Softwood fibers. Softwoods, like pine, spruce, and fir, have longer fibers about 2 to 5 millimeters that contribute to the strength and durability of the paper. They are preferred for craft paper, corrugated paper, and packaging materials. A2. Hardwood fibers. Hardwoods, like eucalyptus, birch, and aspen, have shorter fibers, 0.5 to 1.5 millimeters, which provides smoothness, opacity, and printability. They are commonly used for writing and printing papers, tissue, and to fine papers. B. Fiber composition. The fibers consist of cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignin. 2. Cellulose content. A. High cellulose content. Wood with a higher cellulose content is ideal for papermaking because cellulose provides the strength and flexibility required for producing paper. 3. Lignin content. Lignin is the natural glue that binds fibers together, but it must be removed during the pulping process because it can cause yellowing and brittleness in paper over time. Wood species with lower lignin content are preferred as they reduce the need for extensive chemical treatments like bleaching in the pulping process. 4. Ease of pulping. Softwoods usually provide more pulp per unit of wood compared to hardwoods, making them more efficient for paper manufacturing. 5. Moisture content. A. Proper drying. Wood used for paper making must be properly dried before being chipped and pulped. Excessive moisture content can lead to issues during the pulping process, while overly dry wood may lead to inefficiencies in fiber extraction. B. Green wood versus seasoned wood. Green, freshly cut, wood contains more moisture, while seasoned wood has lower moisture content, making it easier to handle during the pulping process. 6. Renewability and availability. Fast-growing trees. For paper making, trees that grow quickly and are renewable, such as eucalyptus and pine, are favored. As a summary of characteristics of wood for paper making is 1. Long fibers, softwoods. For strength, short fibers, hardwoods. For smoothness, 2. High cellulose content for strength and flexibility, so low lignin content for easier pulping and high-quality paper. 4. And low to moderate density for efficient pulping. 5. Moisture content must be controlled for optimal pulping. 6. Ease of pulping, especially in chemical pulping processes. 7. Low extractive content for minimal interference during pulping. 8. Light color and bleachability for producing bright, high-quality paper. 9. Uniform wood chips for consistent pulping. 10. Sustainable, fast-growing species for renewable raw material supply. These characteristics help ensure that the wood used in paper making can be efficiently processed into high-quality pulp, which is essential for producing a wide range of paper products. Please subscribe our channel Packaging Buddy to understand all details about packaging.